Just a video. Not moving much, he's moving on his own.
There's no arms.
Oh, there's his mouth opening again. He's really trying to get his hand back in there. Yawn. Oh.
Yawn.